Today we're going to be taking a look at the XMCOSY Smart Wall Mount Light, this one here. We're going to look at a couple of features. So basically this can be connected to Alexa, or you can use an app and you have complete control over it. You can change colors, you can set schedules, you can do pretty much everything. So we're going to go over some features and actually check it out. So one of the great features of this is the fact you can actually group the lights together within the app. So this is a 2-pack, so you can set up so you can control both lights at once or individually. I imagine if you had multiple of these around your house, then it would be great to group them into different areas for where they're located, if you want on the front of the house or the back of the house. In my case, I've installed one on the front of the house and one on my back where I'm going to have an entertaining area. This is going to allow me to set up a schedule as a group that will turn on and off at the times that I want, but then I can still have individual control at whatever color, temperature or brightness I want individually on the lights. To connect the XMCOSY Smart Wall Light, you will need to download the XMCOSY Plus app. Once you power up the light will start blinking, and that just means that it's ready to be connected to your app. Within the app, just select Add Device, select the device you are adding. You will need to connect the Wi-Fi, and then it will connect. Once it's connected, the light will stop flashing and go a solid color, and then you'll have complete control over your light. Okay, here's the fun part about the app. It gives you complete control over both your lights. So first of all, you can change the brightness of your light and the temperature of your light. So if you want a nice warm light or nice cool color light, you can set it completely how you want it. So from there, you can go to the tab for scenes, and this is gonna allow a bunch of different colors that you can choose from and little patterns. So there is a bunch of recommended scenes. This is preloaded stuff that was already made on the app, and basically it's gonna be different colors joined together through different kind of like flashes or fades. I decided to mess around with it. I tried the grasslands, the colorful, the ocean. I do think this would be fantastic around holiday times. If you are someone who decorates, I think that would be great. You can customize it. You can choose different colors. You can choose if it's gonna breathe, flash, or stay static, and then you can save it. Then another fun feature is this little music feature. Whatever music that your phone picks up, it will start flashing to the beat. In this case, I'm just talking into the microphone to get to react. But this is fantastic, again, if you like to decorate for holidays, or even if you're having a party or something and you just want your house to be a little bit more festive. So from there, you can start programming. Now, there is a few different options. You can set up a wake mode, you can select what time, you can select repetition, and then you can actually choose a fade in. So how long it will take to fade in, and then how long it will last for. So you can have it up to 2 hours, and you can customize that, add in some different colors, all that type of fun stuff. From there, we can schedule, similar to the wake up call, except what you can actually do is select which days and what time, and then you can select if it's going to turn on or off. So that way you'd set one of these up. For me, I set it up at around 6 p.m. because that's about when the sun's going down. Then I set up a second schedule for around 7 a.m. because that's when the sun's going to be back up. I set that to turn off. So now it should automatically turn on at 6 p.m. and automatically turn off at 7 a.m. Me and my outside lights will automatically turn on and turn off without me needing to remember to turn them on or off. Now next up, we do just have a straight timer. This can be from anything from 1 minute all the way down to 24 hours. A great feature I will show shortly is the fact you can actually group these lights together and control multiple ones at once. If you go across to the scene icon, you can start adding in automations and scenes. So you're gonna basically be selecting if something happens, then an effect. You can choose everything from temperature, humidity, weather, sunset, sunrise, and then you can select schedules. So you can basically set this up so at sunrise it will turn off, at sunset it will turn on, completely automatic again. Everything from the brightness, the color, temperature, timer. And the great thing is you can set this up for groups and multiple lights or individual lights. So last thing is I did want to show you in real time how to create groups. So all you're going to want to do is come to this home page here, and we'll show all your devices that are connected to your network. So select one of them, go in, and then you're going to go up to the top right where there's this edit button. Click on that and scroll all the way down until you see create groups. Click on create group, and now here you'll be able to group your different devices together, save it as a name, and now you have complete control over a group of lights. So that is the XMCOSY Smart Wall Mount Light right there, and yeah, fantastic features. I absolutely love the fact that you have complete control over it. I love the fact you can set up schedules and you can group them together. Let's say if you had a large house and you had quite a few of these lights spread around the whole house, I think that would be incredible to be able to group different areas together and have complete control of your lighting. It would be fantastic. If you are interested in the XMCOSY Smart Wall Mount Light, then we are going to leave a link in the description. Please leave a comment below and like and subscribe for more great reviews like this.